What's the point of crying over someone when they are dead, when you never cared enough to support them while they were alive? Charlie Kirk is gone, and suddenly the timeline is full of RIP posts, fake tears, and people acting like they were his biggest fans. Let's be honest, most of these people they never posted him. They never defended him while he was alive. This is the sickness of human nature. We wait until it's too late to give flowers. We ignore people in their grind, but we praise them in their grave. Why do we do that? Because clout is easier than commitment. Posting RIPs costs nothing, okay? But supporting the living, it takes courage to do that. If you really respect someone, don't wait until it's too late. Pick up the phone right now and call them, check on them, make things right. Tell them that you appreciate them. Show them the love that you're going to show them when they are gone. All those long paragraphs that you guys are writing, this is the right time while at least they are still alive. Send it right now. Give them their flowers while they still can smell them. Otherwise, all this public grief is just performance. Stop being fake. Support people while they're still alive. Because when they are gone, your RIP doesn't mean nothing.